Representative Tinderholt, I guess I have a question. You say we need this amendment because you believe that people who don't believe in border security shouldn't be appointed to the position. Is that accurate?
What I'm saying is that the original bill had it this way, and then they changed it to be the way that it is right now. And really simply put, what I said, why would we have people that want to defund the police on an oversight of law enforcement? Doesn't pass the common sense test. So I'm changing this.
I'm sorry, Representative, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but do you feel that you're making broad generalizations, that making assumptions about people without actually knowing who these individuals are?
Absolutely not.
And
absolutely not.
I'll give an example. I'm chair of Articles 1, 4, and 5. I fund DPS. We've increased DPS funding. I have not defunded anything, and yet I'm a Democrat. I think that is, again, a broad generalization over who is funding or supportive of border security. I think it's been very clear that a lot of border representatives, whether Democrat or Republican, genuinely do care about the safety and security of our communities, and I just think that we really try hard not to do things in a politicized way, and I'm grateful for the bill author for trying to make sure there's some balance to the makeup of this body. And you're just trying, I feel, by using broad generalizations, undermine that work.
Well, I respect you very much, and we've worked together for a long time. I think that there are certain people in this room, you included, that would do everything possible to thwart some things we do on the border to protect our nation and our state, period.
I think that having people who have a nuanced understanding of what's happening on the border and maybe a nuanced approach beyond just militarizing it and saying, can we do a combination of things that we know could be effective to keep, let me make it very clear. I literally live on the border. Right behind my house is the border wall. Of course, I want my constituents and my people to be safe. I think by making generalized statements, it's very dangerous to perpetuating stereotypes about who genuinely cares about the border. Every single border representative cares about border safety, cares about their communities, and genuinely cares about their constituents.
I trust leadership of the Texas House and the Senate to choose those people wisely, and that's what this amendment does. It allows them to choose.
And I don't think that the author is trying to take away that authority. They're just trying to say we should be intentional and strategic about having balance so we can make sure we get lots of different viewpoints.
I respect your opinion very much. I would tell you to vote no on the amendment then.
Thank you.
I move adoption.